Hello. Hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I make handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How are you today? Welcome to my channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. So good to see you today. Today, we are going to make bath salts again. And this one is called Awakening Insight. So it's a lot of relaxing for this bath salt, healing mentally, awakening your third eye, breathing with deep breathing exercises to help you, and just relaxing, okay? So come on. This one has lemongrass, thyme, orange peels, whole clove, cinnamon, Epsom salt, sea salt, that's dead sea salt, baking soda, and dry milk. So, and here we go. Here's our dead sea baking soda. We have here Epsom salt. And here's another Epsom salt. And you know I like to mix the dry milk together with my sauce. Okay? Can you comment down below and tell me, have you ever used any of Glennceria Loving Hands skincare treats? And tell me which one that you use and what's the name of your product, if you don't mind. And the second question is, where are you watching me from? I would love to know. I have an Etsy shop. It's Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off the end of hands. All righty, all right. That looks good. All right, so let's put in all of our organic herbs today. No flowers, just herbs. Okay, so here we have lemongrass. Lemongrass. Thyme. Orange peels. Whole clove. Whole clove. And last but not least, organic ground cinnamon. In my bowl, my husband bought me for our 15th wedding anniversary, which was 3 years ago, right before he passed away. Isn't that beautiful? Awakening. Awakening bath salts. Okay, let's mix it in. Let's mix it in. Okay, so like I was saying, here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Awakening, insight, meditation, deep breathing exercises. Just chill out. And I know you don't probably want all of those herbs and flowers in your tub going down, so make sure you get a bag. And that way you just fill your bag about 2 tablespoons to 3, and then just tie it up, place it on your faucet, you're good to go. Listen, have a good day, guys. Love you so much. From Glennceria Loving Hands. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye now. Yes, 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 yes. Acting silly. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Let's look at it one more time. And it smells so good.